Welcome everybody to Carole's Art Room. I'm going to do a swipe today. I'm going to do 2 tiles, Christmassy colors. It's Glidden Premium. Whoops. Okay, so I'll spread. I got some pretty colors today. I'm going to do a drizzle. That was Meter Lake, Amsterdam. I got some turquoise, this little piggy mermaid, and some Arteza, no, Pabio blue green, and this little piggy mixed together. Some peridot green by Decor. Amsterdam magenta. A little bit of gold. Amsterdam light and deep gold together. And just wipe with a plain card. A little bit wider. There. I'm going to put some black and white cell activator. See how that comes out. These paints are all my bloom mixture paints that I use for my blooms and swipes. stretch it, see if anything develops. I got a lot of pink. Whoa, whoa. That was close. These silicone mats are slippery. It's a pretty color combination. Just want a little more turquoise. Okay, I think that's spread out enough. And let's do another one. These paints are all the same paints I use for my blooms. Just gonna spread it out. Okay, just gonna drizzle some on. This is Amsterdam Primary Magenta. A little bit of green. This is Peridot Deco Art. It's almost empty. Some red Mater Lake, Amsterdam Mater Lake. Some gold, Amsterdam light gold and deep gold. This little piggy mermaid and Pibio blue green. I'm going to swipe with black cell activator on my playing card. Just letting it fall gently. I didn't push hard on it. Recipe for my paints are in the description under the video. That's pretty. There's a discount code for the Sheleeart Bloom Technique also under there. A couple of other discounts for Mead Paint and Lowly Effie. Okay, I think this one's good. Love these colors. All right. I'll put all my dry coasters at the end of the video. Have a good day, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi, everyone. Well, here's all my white tiles. They're all dry. Well, that one's got some nice shiny gold to it. This one's pretty. It's got some pretty colors. They're all the same colors I use, but it's amazing how different they all can come out. Different ways that you layer the paint. This one has more gold showing. Wow, I love them all. Thanks for watching and have a good day.